All right, we're gonna get right into it. So we're gonna start with cleaning the headliner. First, we're just gonna rip off the old material. We're gonna take that off and throw it right in the trash. All right, before we start, first we're gonna get a wire brush. Before that, we're gonna blow off as much as we can. All right, now you see me scraping it with the wire brush, and get as clean as we can with the wire brush. And we're gonna blow off the leftovers. The goal is to get the headline as clean as possible so the glue can stick. All right, you see right here, I'm just finding the old pieces that broke off. You're gonna be working with these headliners from the late 70s and the 80s. The headliner boards gonna be real brittle, so you take it out, a lot of the pieces are gonna break. All right, now that I find those, I'm gonna clean it one last time. This is just with a nylon brush, getting the last little dust off of it. All right, now I'm gonna take some hot glue and glue those pieces right back into place. All right, I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds until the glue dry. After that, I'll move right on to the next piece. Do the same exact thing. Also, if you're worried about strength, once these are in place and we wrap the material over it, it'll be back, almost 100%. Okay, this is how I measure out the material. Just roll it on there. Checking that side, make sure I got enough hangover. Roll it back a little bit, make sure I got hangover on this side, and then I'm gonna cut it. All right, now we're getting ready to spray the glue. So I'm gonna do half and half. So what I'm doing, I'm spraying the board first because the glue is gonna dry faster on the foam. So I'm gonna spray the board first. It's getting a lot of glue on there. Same thing with the foam, get a lot of glue on there. And always when you're doing headlines, make sure you do the board first. Just make sure I got glue on every inch. Or I let it dry for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead and lock it into place. You see, I got this mid on because I don't want to wipe it with my hand because you can get finger dents on there. So you got to use some type of foam. So this oven mitt is going to work perfect for this application. So when you're doing headliners, never do it with your hand. This is how we're going to get a smooth, professional finish. It's going to come out 100% perfect. Now, as you see, we're just doing half and half. So after we get this side all smooth, we're going to do the other half. I'm applying a nice amount of pressure. All right, same thing on this side. Doing the board first, a lot of glue. I just like to do overkill with the glue. Make sure my customers never have to come back, especially on this because I'm doing a Starlight headliner. So I got to make sure it never falls. A lot of glue every inch. And if I think I missed a spot, I'm gonna go over it again. All right, now it's trying to smooth that this side into place. Make sure you get some foam or an oven mitt or something. And it nice and smooth. All right, now I turned it over. I'm just spraying the edge of the board and the edge of the material. You see the edge of the material, edge of the board. So I just went all the way around. Now I'm cutting off all the excess because we only need to wrap over about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch. If really an inch is too big, I'll say a half inch to 3/4 of an inch. And now I'm just smoothing it over. As you see, I cut the corner on the slant so it's no bulk. And we got one last corner. Okay, next we get a real sharp razor. Now we're about to start cutting our holes. So we're going to cut our holes for the visors, also for the coat hangers. See here, I'm going to start with the coat hanger. You definitely need a sharp razor when you're doing this. Oh yeah, got to cut around for the center light, for the dome light. All right, now we're about to poke all our screw holes. For that, I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to turn it over and then we're going to smooth it out one more time. Then it'll be done. After that, we can let the glue dry overnight. And we go and start on the Starlight headliner, which I'm going to show you that in the next video. Make sure y'all like this video and definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. I'll be posting it probably in a day or two. Also, I will be answering all comments. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer it for you. Thanks for watching.